Women in Wales still don't have the same opportunities as men. On average, we're paid less for doing the same work. We're less likely to get top jobs or be elected politicians. And we're more likely to experience gender-based violence and abuse. So what can we do about it? CEDAW, the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, is described as an international bill of women's rights. Adopted by the United Nations in 1979, most countries in the world have signed up to CEDAW, including the UK. CEDAW tells governments what they must do to end discrimination against women. The 30 articles of CEDAW protect women's economic, cultural, social and civil rights. CEDAW protects women in public and in their own homes. Around the world, CEDAW has been used to grow women's representation in parliaments, increase the number of streetlights in cities, and enhance citizenship rights for women and children. Governments have to tell the UN what they're doing to eliminate discrimination. But the UN also listens to women's lived experience across the UK. That's where WEN Wales comes in. Every 5 years, WEN Wales gathers the voices of the women and girls of Wales and shares them with the UN. We want the human rights protections for women laid out in CEDAW incorporated into Welsh and UK policies and laws. Your rights matter. We all deserve a Wales free from gender discrimination. Ask your elected politicians to support the incorporation of CEDAW so we can use CEDAW in our courts to strengthen women's rights in Wales. Join WEN Wales to add your voice to our movement.